Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress in Cpanel using Softaculous. So let's get started. So at first we are going to log into our Cpanel account. So in the address bar, enter your domain name and then put /cpanel next to it and then press enter. So in this way you will be redirected to Cpanel login page. Here you need to enter your username and password and then click on login. You can find these login details on the email that you have used to purchase your web hosting and domain. So now I am going to click on login. So in this way you will be redirected to the Cpanel dashboard. From here scroll down to software section and then click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So click on it. Here you will see all the websites on which WordPress is already installed. But for the new WordPress installation, just click on install button. And now from here you can install WordPress on your new website. So at first we are going to choose installation URL. From the choose protocol section we will use HTTPS. And from here we are going to select our domain. As I have already one domain which is already selected. So next to your domain name you will see a directory tab. So if you want to install WordPress on your main domain, then leave the directory tab as it is. But if you want to install WordPress in the subfolder, then you can use this directory tab. As I do not want to install WordPress on my main domain, so in this way I will use this directory tab, and here I am going to put blog. So now WordPress will be installed on my main domain /blog, not on my main domain. So if you want to install WordPress on the main domain, then leave this directory tab as it is. Now from here scroll down and set your admin account. Please note that this admin account will be used later to log into your WordPress website. At first you need to add your admin username, and then you need to put your admin password, and then you need to put your admin email. Admin username and admin password will be used to log in to your WordPress dashboard. From here you can choose your language. I will set it to English, and from here you can set the plugins that you want to install on your website. So now scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on install button. So in this way your WordPress installation will be started. It will take a little bit time depending on your server. So as you can see that WordPress is now installed on my domain, and now we are going to check whether it's working or not. Here you will see two links. The first one is your website link and the second one is your WordPress website dashboard link. So if I click on this first link, I will be redirected to my website. As you can see that now it's working fine and WordPress is installed successfully. So now if I click on the second link, I will be redirected to my WordPress website dashboard, and from here I can manage my website. I can add new pages, new posts, etc. So this is how you can install WordPress in Cpanel using Softaculous. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.